running for their lives. Immigrant families targeted in East Belfast in one of the worst nights of violence seen in Northern Ireland in over a decade. Police resources heavily stretched as chaos unfolded on the streets. The protest began shortly before 7 p.m, with many turning violent instantly. This was the scene on the Newtownards Road, where a glider bus was hijacked and set alight. Just a short distance away, cars and homes were torched, with many of the residents fleeing for their lives. Elsewhere, in Cloughfern, close to 800 people gathered where they hijacked cars and threw petrol bombs at police. These were the scenes off the Crumlin Road in the north of the city. It was here that masked men swept through the streets, setting cars alight and torching homes. Police responded, but on most occasions it was too late to save property. The fire service said that it dealt with 256 calls. This resulted in attendance at 62 separate incidents. The fear is that violence could continue to run for several nights.